Early on, I came across this beautiful quote by G.B. Shaw, which said, "People look at things and say why, and I look at things and say why not."
There are lesser disappointments if you don't have a plan.
If you don't get what you like what you get.
I was a risk taker right from my childhood. I always used to dream and I always used to think nothing is difficult for me, and I think that is what shaped my life.
Love has to be innocent. Love has to be, without any expectation. Love has to be without any relationship.
My philosophy has been try, experiment. If you fail early and move on, rather than get stuck with notion of doing the same thing again and again.
I have dreams. The dreams tell me direction, that in which direction I have to move. Things change around your environment, and you keep on moving, keep on doing things based on where you want to go. Which path, I don't care much.
What has brought me to where I am today from my humble roots is just this notion that it's not you, it is what you ought to be doing in this world. That's it. Keep it really, really simple.
You have to be ethical. You can't cheat anyone. Because it's that relationship, it's that name, it's that wisdom which takes you ahead. You alone can never be successful. It's always that you are successful because somebody else is working behind to make you successful.
The journey has been absolutely fabulous. No regrets. There have been tons of mistakes, that I have made, but no regrets. It's because I take life as a learning process. And learning has been a key, part of my way forward all the time.
I define myself as a business person who has a specialization in HR.
So if I am doing whatever that I do as my craft, then I've got to be doing something which is at the very best.
My USP has been, I've been totally flexible with life. Wherever you want to take me, I will go. Whatever opportunity knocks my door, I say welcome.
And anything that you take up, you do that exceedingly well. I mean, you should be very proud of what you're doing.
To me, status quo has never been something that I would live with. I always question how can we get better. I always question what others are really not thinking, and gently guide them onto that journey so that we could make improvements. Otherwise, the life is boring. First of all, to believe in yourself. Second is, never take no for an answer. There is always a way to do things. So long you have the sense of commitment, ownership, and you would like to make progress.
You pick up one priority at a time and you put yourself in that thing. You dare, you risk everything for achieving that particular dream.
I never understood the value of network. Network is your net worth. So if by any chance you have an opportunity to network, create that right in the here and now.
So the young generation of today, my message is learn to unlearn. The most important part of your professional life is not just learning, but unlearning and relearning. The day you start relearning, I'm sure you're going to discover a lot many new things.
Look at success without competition.
How can you stay humble despite all that you're doing? Because we all know this. You may be sitting in a chair. The moment you vacate the chair, that's all that you are about. Another person on the street.
There is so much of opportunity available across the industry. There is no dearth of learning that is available. All it takes is receptiveness. All it takes is your own desire to make progress.
Take small things, do them exceedingly well. And that makes a difference both for yourself and for the people who are around you.
Be open-minded, be ethical, and make sure don't live alone. Share with others, be together. It's all about teamwork. You are never successful in life alone. It's always a teamwork. There is someone working behind to make you successful. Recognize them, identify them, thank them.
You need to have ambition to become better, but that ambition has to come without competition.
So when you get into something, you have to make sure that you are disciplined enough.
But one thing which could be consistent and common for anybody to make progress in life is conviction, is the ability to challenge the status quo.
You also rely a lot more on your hard work than you ever have relied upon ever in your life.
If you know how to let go things, you will always be happy. When I say let go, it means letting go your ego, letting go your knowledge that time which is no more relevant in the industry, and then gaining new knowledge which brings you more value.
So try wearing a positive lens for life. That is what I would say.
It's very easy to give up when you're pushed hard and pushed back. But can you go beyond that? Can you raise the bar for yourself? Those are important characters. That defines people on the strength of their character. And I would really urge you watching this that don't take a no for an answer.